The Courtyard House by Rushi Shah Architects plus Tattva Landscapes in Ahmedabad, India. The main prerequisite of the client was to design the house in accordance with 24 directions of Vastu. In addition, the requirement was also to design two exact same houses for two families on two amalgamated plots. The overall master plan of the site is designed with two houses placement and a driveway surrounded by green islands. Both house placements offer a central garden view along with a private garden view. The areas near the houses are designed as green islands of contours with various heights, colors, and textures. Exposed RCC, exposed brick, and brown kota were the prime material palette of the house, but we wanted the greens to be prominent, too. The house is designed around two brahmasthans of both individual plots, which we address as the courtyard of the house. The courtyard is surrounded by built-up on three sides and an exquisite screen on the north side. While conceptualizing the house, we always wanted to visualize the courtyard as we entered. The courtyard reflects both vibrancy and warmth to the house. The courtyard landscape proportions and textures sum up the cozy yet open concept of the home. The ground floor consists of a formal and informal living area, dining space, kitchen, powder room, and one master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and toilet. The living area, dining room, and kitchen are planned on one axis with an open space concept. Both living and dining get visuals of the courtyard and central landscape. The brick wall behind the sofa and dining passage glides warmth to the whole ambience. The formal sitting room is the most eye-catching and soothing space in the whole house. This room faces the courtyard. The artwork on the exposed RCC wall is designed on the master planning of the premise, which complements the custom-made rug and sums up the vibrations of the space. Both the master bedroom and the house are planned with a timeless design language, considering each user's age. The internal planning of the rooms and walk-in wardrobe is catered to personal requirements. All rooms are well lit with natural light and overlook the courtyard's central garden or private terrace. When it comes to the interiors of the house, we wanted to introduce warmth and embrace the natural light in every way possible, which was planned while designing the house. Each space of the house is created with completely custom-made furniture and some customized artifacts and light fixtures. Artworks are custom-made by talented artists, considering specific colors and geometries. The landscape design of the house comprises various textures such as cobblestones, lawns, contours, lotus ponds, and more than 120 species of plants. The sunken seating behind the second home has the beautifully grown kijda tree, kept as a central part of the seating area. The soothing part of this house is seeing greens when you enter or exit it. The lotus pond is located right in front of the main door, with lots of purple lilies and badam canopies. The aim was to design a timeless premise, keeping all three aspects of architecture, interiors, and landscape.